Hi! We are now at Lesson 2 for Quarter 1, Week 8. And the topic is about problem solving involving division of decimal numbers and money. So this is already the application of what we have discussed and what you have learned about division of decimal numbers. So before we start, before you watch, don't forget to comment, hashtag your full name, and hashtag Math6Q1W8 Lesson 2. At pagtapos ng manood, comment again, hashtag your full name, and hashtag I am ready Math6Q1W8 Lesson 2. Okay, so for learning task 1, the activity is read and analyze the given problem. Answer the given questions in your notebook. Here is the problem. Nora bought 5 t-shirts and 5 pairs of pants for 6,000 pesos. If the t-shirts cost 300 pesos each, find the cost of each pair of pants. So, ang isang mabisang paraan para madaling maintindihan ang problem in order to solve it easily and correctly is to use visualization. Sa madaling salita, mag-drawing kayo. Ano ba ang pwedeng i-drawing dito sa problem na ito? Kung ano yung given, yun ang iyong i-drawing. Dito, ang given ay 5 t-shirts at saka 5 pairs of pants. Okay? So, eto yung 5 t-shirts at eto naman yung 5 pants. And then, the problem said, ang total ng 5 t-shirt at 5 pantalon na binili ay 6,000 pesos. And then, ang sabi rin, bawat t-shirt ay may price na 300 pesos. So, itong 5 t-shirt na ito ay may presyo na 300 pesos bawat isa. At ang ating hinahanap ay, ano nga ang question? Find the cost of each pair of pants. So, aalamin natin magkano ang presyo ng bawat isang pants o pantalon. Okay? So, ang ipakikita ko sa inyong steps in solving problem is the common steps. Ito yung common talaga. Kasi yung una nating ginamit, yung understand, plan, solve, and check, actually related din ito dito. Pero ito yung pinaka-basic, no? Kung ano yung mga nilalagay natin doon sa 4 steps na pinag-aralan natin dati, ay nanggaling din dito sa steps na ating aaralin ngayon. So, ang number 1 is this. What is asked? Ano nga ba ang hinahanap sa problem? Ano yung kailangan nating isolve? Of course, that is the cost of each pair of pants. Magkano daw ang presyo ng bawat isang pares ng pantalon? Then the next question is, what are the given? Ano yung mga numbers or amount na gagamitin natin na nakikita sa problem para ma-solve ito? So, ano yun? 5, that is for the t-shirt. 5 for the pants. 6,000 yung total na presyo nila. At 300 yung presyo ng bawat t-shirt. Number 3, what operations will be used? Ngayon na na-analyze mo na yung problem gamit ang pictures or drawing at saka alam mo na kung ano yung hinahanap, alam mo na rin kung ano yung given, ano ang gagamiting operation para natin malaman ang sagot. So, gagamit tayo ng multiplication, subtraction, and division. What is the number sentence? Paano natin i-apply itong tatlong operations na to dun sa number sentence para makuha natin yung sagot? So, paano gagamitin ang multiplication, ang subtraction, at saka ang division? Ganito yon. So, n equals, open bracket, 6,000 minus, open parenthesis, 5 times 300, close parenthesis and close bracket divided by 5. Bakit? Ito yung binayaran, yung total price ng lahat ng t-shirt at pantalon. Ito yung bilang ng t-shirt at ito naman yung presyo ng bawat t-shirt. So, kailangan mong i-multiply silang dalawa para malaman ano ba ang total cost ng t-shirt. Pag na-multiply na at nalaman ang total cost ng t-shirt, isasubtract mo siya sa total amount ng dalawa. At kapag nakuha mo na yung sagot, yun yung magiging cost ng pants, ng total cost ng pants, ng 5 pants. Ang hinahanap ay bawat pares. So, kailangan mo siyang i-divide sa 5. Kaya ganyan ang ating number sentence using the 3 operations here. So, what is the answer to the problem? Ano na ang presyo ng bawat pares ng pantalon? So, let us substitute or let us compute for the answer. So, 5 times 300 is 1,500. 6,000 minus 1,500 is 4,500 divided by 5. So, the answer is 900 pesos. That's the cost of each pair of pants. And by just analyzing this problem, anong klase ng problem ito? This problem is a multi-step routine problem. Okay? Routine pa rin siya kasi ito ay nasolve natin gamit ang practical reason. O sa madaling salita, ito yung solution para makuha yung sagot. So, this is the only solution na pwedeng magamit para makuha ang sagot. At bakit siya multi-step kahit iisa lang ang solution? Kasi 3 operation ang ginamit. So, tandaan, multi-step routine siya kapag isa lang ang solution pero maraming operations ang ginamit. How about learning task 2? Solve the following problem ang kanyang direction. So, let us have the problem. Aryan bought 10.8 meters of Gina satin cloth. 1/5 of the cloth was damaged by rats and the rest was used to make 8 similar blouses. So, there are 2 questions. How much cloth did she use for each blouse? And if she sold each blouse for 185 pesos and 50 centavos, how much money would she receive in all? So, let us analyze. Ito ang visualization. This blue rectangular object here represents the 10.8 meters of Gina cloth na binili ni Aryan. And then, sa 10.8 meters ng cloth na kanyang binili, 1/5 meters ay na-damage ng daga o kinagat ng daga. So, hindi na yun magagamit. Hindi ba? So, ito na lamang blue part ang natira na tela na pwede niyang gamitin na ginamit niya para gumawa ng 8 similar blouses. At yung 8 similar blouses na yon ay ibinenta niya ng 185 pesos and 50 centavos ang isa. Okay? So, na-visualize na ninyo, ha? Then, ano yung hinahanap or what are asked? Una, meters of cloth used for each blouse. Ilang metro daw ng tela ang nagamit para sa bawat blouse na ito. And the other is total amount for 8 blouses. Magkano daw ang pinagbentahan ng 8 blouses na ito? Number 2, what are given? 10.8 representing the meters of the cloth, 1/5, yun yung sinira ng daga, 8 representing the number of blouses, and 185 pesos and 50 centavos representing the amount of each blouse. Number 3, what operations will be used? Ano daw operation ang pwedeng gamitin dyan? So, they are multiplication, subtraction, and division. Bakit? saan gagamitin ang bawat isang operation na yan? So, let's go to the number sentence para maipakita paano gagamitin ang multiplication, subtraction, and division. Okay. So, ito yung 10.8, yung original na measurement ng tela. Yung 1/5, yun yung nasira ng daga at siya ikukunin natin sa 10.8 o aalamin natin ano yung 1/5 na sinira ng daga. So, we will get 1/5 of 10 and 10.8. So, ang gagamitin doon ay multiplication. And then, i-divide sa 8 dahil yun yung bilang ng blouse na gawa mula doon sa natirang tela. So, this number sentence is the number sentence for this. Yung unang tanong, yung meters of cloth used for each blouse. Para malaman yung meters of cloth used for each blouse, ito ang number sentence na gagamitin. And, do you know na may isa pang number sentence na pwedeng gamitin para dito sa meters of cloth used for each blouse? Ito yon. Saan ang galing ang 4/5? Ito yon. Hindi ba 1/5 yung sinira ng daga? So, kung 1/5 ito, nangangahulugan na itong kabuuang ito, itong kabuuang telang ito, yan ay 5/5 or 5/5. Yan ang fraction form nitong telang ito. So, mula doon sa 5/5, binawas natin yung 1/5, kaya siya ay naging 4/5. At yung 4/5 na yon ay imumultiply natin sa 10.8, yung kabuuang laki ng tela. Okay? Para malaman natin kung ano ba yung ginamit para sa blouse. Kasi tandaan, itong 4/5 na ito, iyan yung kulay blue. Yung kulay blue na yan ang 4/5. Kasi yan yung natira. Diba? And then, yung 10.8, gaya ng sinabi ko, ay ang kabuuang sukat or measurement ng tela. At syempre, i-divide din siya sa 8 kasi yan yung bilang ng nagawang blouses mula doon sa natirang tela. So, ayan, dalawa ang pwedeng number sentence for this. And, the number sentence naman for the total amount for 8 blouses is 185.50 times 8. Imumultiply lang yan, yung 8 blouse na yan, sa 8. Sa 185.50, sorry. Yung 185.50 ang presyo, imumultiply sa 8. What is the other way of doing that? Sa halip na magmultiply, pwede mo rin siyang i-add. I-add mo lang yung 8 185.50. Diba? Okay, so those are the number sentence. And then, what are the answers to the problems? Unahin natin yung unang number sentence, 10.8 minus 1/5 times 10.8 over 1. Nilagyan ko ng denominator yung 10.8 para mas madali sa inyong makita at maintindihan. So, para in a way, para na rin sila parehong fractions divided by 8. So, uunahin natin ito dahil siyang nasa loob ng parentheses. So, 1/5 times 10.8 over 1 is 10.8 over 5. And then, 10.8 over 5 or 10.8 divided by 5. Yan ang ibig sabihin yan Hindi ba itong linya na ito, nangangahulugan din yan ng divided by or division. So, ang sagot ay 2.16. So, 10.8 minus 2.16 divided by 8. 10.8 minus 2.16 is 8.64 divided by 8 and the answer is 1.08 meters of cloth. So, yung 1.08 meters of cloth, yan yung natirang tela, yan yung kulay blue doon sa representation kanina na ginawa into 8 blouses. O how about the other number sentence? Tingnan natin kung magiging pareho ang sagot. Kasi dapat, para maging tama itong number sentence na ito, magiging pareho dapat sila ng sagot. So, 4/5 times 10.8 over 1 divided by 8. Uunahin natin itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. Kaya magiging 43.2 divided by 5 divided by 8. So, 43.2 divided by 5 is 8.64 divided by 8. And the answer is the same. 1.08 meters of cloth. So, you see, magkaiba ng number sentence, pero they arrive at the same answer. And then, the answer for the other is 185.50 times 8. That is 1,484 pesos, the amount of 8 blouses. Ngayon, ang tanong, anong klaseng problem ito? This problem is called multi-step non-routine. Bakit multi-step non-routine? Kasi mayroong dalawang solution na pwedeng gamitin para ma-solve ang problem. So, at saka, hindi lamang isa ang operation na ginamit, kaya siya multi-step non-routine. Paano masasabing multi-step non-routine? Hindi lamang isa ang solution. Pwedeng dalawa, pwedeng tatlo, provided na they will arrive at the same answer. Non-routine ha, multi-step non-routine dahil higit pa sa isa ang solution na pwedeng gawin. Okay? Multi-step dahil hindi lang isang operation at hindi lang isa ang solution. Okay? Malinaw tayo doon? So, let's proceed to learning task 3. Solve the following problem. Linda has 4 times as much money as her sister. If Linda has 482 pesos and 80 centavos, how much money does her sister have? So, let us visualize. Ito si Linda. Meron daw siyang 4 times as much money as her sister. At yung 4 times as much money na meron siya ay equivalent sa 482 pesos and 80 centavos. Ito naman ang sister niya. So, ang sister niya, ang representation ay isa lang. Kasi nga, yung amount ng pera ng kanyang kapatid ay 4 times nun meron si Linda. So, ang tanong, what is asked? Money that Linda's sister have. So, kinuha yun dito sa question na how much money does her sister have? Okay? Then the next, what are given? Of course, 482.80 and 4. And then, what operation will be used? That is division. And what is the number sentence since division is the operation? N equals 482.80 divided by 4. At ano magiging sagot? The answer is 120 pesos and 70 centavos. That is the money of Linda's sister. Okay? So, the question is, what type of problem is this? This is a routine problem. Routine dahil una, isa lang ang operation na ginamit. Pangalawa, isa lang ang solution na ginawa o pwedeng gawin para ma-solve ang problem. So, kailan siya routine? Isa ang solution, isa ang operation. Okay? Let us have learning task 4. This time, i-identify nyo yung word problems as routine, non-routine, multi-step routine, multi-step non-routine. So, kailan siya routine? Isa ang operation, isa ang solution. Kailan siya non-routine? Isa ang operation, pero hindi lang isa ang solution. Okay? So, paano nangyari yon? Isa lang ang operation, pero hindi isa ang solution. Halimbawa, kung ang una mong naisip na operation ay multiplication at sinolve mo siya, and then naisip mo na, pwede rin naman pala akong mag-add. O, nag-add ka, pwedeng i-add, pwedeng i-multiply. So, isang operation pero magkaiba. Pero isa lang ang gagamitin mo sa pag-solve ng problem. At isa lang ang solution, yon ay non-routine. Okay? Uulitin ko, non-routine kapag isa lang operation pero may dalawa o higit pang solution na pwede mong gawin para ma-solve ang problem. So, kung alin man sa dalawang operation ang pwedeng gamitin, it's either addition or addition, multiplication, o kaya ay addition, subtraction, ganon. Pero isang beses mo lang gagamitin ang alin man doon, yon ay non-routine. Kailan naman siya multi-step routine? Kapag siya ay isa lang ang solution, pero higit sa isa ang operation. Kagaya ng mga nauna nating ginawa. 3 ang operations na ginamit, pero isa lang ang solution. So, multi-step routine yon. Okay? Kailan naman siya multi-step non-routine? Kapag maraming operations at hindi lamang isa ang solution. Kagaya nung ginawa natin doon sa tela na binili ni Aryan, di ba? 2 ang solution na pwedeng gawin at 3 ang operation. Dito naman sa multi-step ay kagaya nung problem doon sa pants at saka sa t-shirt. Okay? So, ngayon, na alam na ninyo ang pagkakaiba-iba nila, let us have this. Carla saves 115 pesos and 50 centavos a week. How long will it take her to save 2,310 pesos? So, alin kaya dyan sa 4 na yan ang problem na ito? So, number 1 is a routine. Routine siya kasi isa lang ang operation dyan. That is division. I-divide mo yung 2,310 pesos by 115 pesos and 50 centavos. At yun lang ang solution para doon. Kaya siya routine. Okay? How about number 2? There are 30 girls and 20 boys who will equally share the expenses for a bus trip that costs 6,025 pesos and 50 centavos. How much will each pay? Ano kaya ang anong type of problem kaya yan? So, may 30 girls at 20 boys na mag-share o mag-aambag ng pantay-pantay para bayaran ang bus na kanilang ginamit sa kanilang trip. So, ano kaya ang gagawin dyan? Una, i-add mo yung 30 at saka 20 para makuha yung total. And then, pag nakuha mo na yung total ng girls and boys, i-divide mo yung 6,025.50 doon sa kanilang total. So, nai-imagine na ninyo kung ano ang operations, hindi ba? And then, para makuha yung how much ang babayaran ng bawat isa. So, anong tawag dito? Yes, this is multi-step routine. Okay? This is a multi-step routine. 2 kasi ang operation, pero isa lang ang solution. Oh, how about number 3? I am thinking of a number. Thrice my number minus 5 equals 40. What is my number? May iniisip daw akong number. So, let us represent it with an X. Thrice my number. So, yung X ay itatrice mo. So, how are you going to do it? Ano ba ang operation na gagamitin kapag sinabing thrice my number? And then, pagkatapos, ima-minus mo pa yung 5 sa kanya at ang magiging sagot ay 40. So, ang una mong gagawin, you are going to guess and check. Iisip ka ng number. Guess. You will guess. Diba? Manghuhula ka ng number. And then, you will try to multiply it by 3. Kasi thrice means 3. Thrice my number means multiply. And then, pag nakuha mo na yung sagot, ima-minus mo siya sa 5. Kailangan ang sagot ay 40. So, hindi lang isang beses mo siyang gagawin. Maaaring paulit-ulit until you arrive at the correct answer. So, anong tipo ng problem yon? Yes, that is a multi-step non-routine. Bakit multi-step non-routine? Kasi iba-iba ang solution na maaari mong gawin to arrive at the answer. At saka hindi lang isa ang operation na gagamitin. To give you the answer to this, ang pwede rin gamitin dito ay kabaliktaran or inverse. For example, this is minus. What's the inverse of minus? That's plus. or addition? Kasi this is subtraction. What's the inverse of thrice or multiplication? That is division. So you will begin at the answer. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 divided by 3. Diba? So you will arrive at the number that you have to think of. Okay? So, anong klase uli ito ng problem? Multi-step, non-routine. Okay, let's proceed to the last problem. Shirley has a necklace 8.5 grams, a ring 5.5 grams, a bracelet 9 grams, and earrings 4.5 grams. If she sold this to an amount of 27,500 pesos, how much does each gram cost? So, maraming alahas si Shirley. Meron siyang necklace, may singsing, may bracelet, at may earrings. At ibinenta niya lahat ito sa 27,500 pesos. Ang tanong, magkano daw ang presyo ng bawat gram? So, anong naiisip niyong operations dito? Meron na ba? Okay. So, ano ang type of problem ito? Yes, this type of problem is multi-step routine. Why multi-step routine? You are going to add 8.5, 5.5, 9, and 4.5. Pag nakuha mo na yung total nila, i-divide mo yung 27,500 doon sa total para makuha ang sagot. So, dalawa ang operations, pero isa lang ang solution. That's why it is a multi-step routine problem. And that's it. Tapos na ang ating lesson 2. And don't forget na yung lesson 3 ay halos kapareho rin naman ng lesson 2. Kaya hindi ko na i-discuss dito dahil pareho lang naman yung gagawin doon. Kung ano yung ating pinag-usapan dito sa lesson 2 ay ganun din ang gagawin sa lesson 3. So dahil tapos na kayong manood, comment, hashtag your full name, hashtag I am ready Math6Q1W8 lesson 2. And I am hoping na kayang-kaya na ninyong sagutan ang inyong module for week 8 because of the tutorial videos that I made for you. So, please always be safe, stay at home so that you will be safe, and don't forget to ask me questions if you have questions at may gusto kayong linawin tungkol sa ating lesson. So, have a nice week ahead of you. God bless and ingat, ingat, ingat.